How are you, children? Now it's a prayer time. Let's sing a prayer song. Close your eyes. Ashatoma Shatkamaya Tamashoma Jodi Kamaya Brityoma Amadam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Today we are going to learn about lesson 1, computer and network. Children, what is computer? Computer is a machine. It has lot of uses and many advantages. Uses of computer: write letters, draw pictures, do numerical calculations, listening music, reading stories, watching movies, playing games, many work, etc. Children, what is memory? So, store and information and data are called an computer memory. So, computer memory has divided into two types: primary memory, secondary memory. RAM and ROMs are primary memory. So, RAM stands for random access memory. RAM is temporary memory. ROM stands for read only memory. Startup instruction are stored in ROM. ROM is a permanent memory. Hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drive are secondary storage devices. Children, what is hardware? Parts of computer is called hardware. As you know, a computer consists of both hardware and software. Example for mobile phone. More on input devices. So, keyboard and mouse is an input device. You have already learned about keyboard and mouse very well. So, this class we are going to learn about some another input devices. First one, webcam. This is a webcam. It is used to capture an image and send to the computer. Next one is scanner. This is a scanner. It is used to prepare document or photo into the computer. Next one is joystick. This is joystick. It is an input device. It is used to playing games. Another one is microphone. This is a microphone. It is an input device. It is used to record the voice or sound. Next one is MICR. MICR stands for magnetic ink character recognition. This device is used in bank. Next one is camera. This is camera. It is used to transfer photos to the computer. Next one is BCR. This is a BCR. BCR stands for barcode reader. BCR stands for barcode reader. BCR is used to read the code available on any product manufactured in a company. Next one is output devices. Monitor. There are two types of monitor: LCD monitor, LED monitor. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. LED stands for light emitting diode. LCD monitor uses fluorescent type of tube lighting, and LED monitors are more expansive and have faster response time, longer life and are silker than LED monitor. LED monitor are more expansive and have faster response time, longer life and are silker than LCD monitor. Next one is printer. Printer is used to print on a paper. So there are three types of printer: dotmatic printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. First one is dotmatic printers. This printer are impact printers with limited speed and quality, but they allow multiple carbon copies. Next one is inkjet printer. This printer are non-impact printer. This printer are non-impact printer. It can print text as well as pictures. This printer is less expensive than a laser printer. This printer is less expensive than a laser printer. Next one is laser printer. These are non-impact printers that can print text and image at high speed. The cost of the printer is relatively high. Next one is speaker. Speaker gives sound as input to a computer. Speaker delivers sound as output. Another one is software. Children, what is software? Set of instruction is called software. Some example for software are MS Paint, MS Word. Software can be classified into three types: system software, application software, utility software. First one is system software. System software is designed to deal directly with hardware. An operating system, example of system software. An operating system, example of system software. Example for system software are Windows and Linux. Mac OS are the system software. Next one is application software. Application software is developed for specific type of jobs. Application software is developed for specific types of jobs. These are commonly used in banks, railways, factories, universities, etc. Example for application softwares are MS Word, PowerPoint. Next one is utility software. Utility software is general purpose software and it comes as a part of operating system. So that can it be used to regularly maintain the system. Regularly maintain the system. Utility software are disk defragmenter, backup utility. Disk defragmenter, backup utility. Next one is computer and network. A computer can also be allowed to share its files or folder with another computer, provide both computer or parts of one network. Children, what is computer? Computer can be allowed to share files or folders with another computer, provide both computer or part one network. Computer can be categorized two types. First one, standalone computer. Another one is network computer. Standalone computer. A computer which is not part of any network and hence not connected with another computer is called standalone computer. Not connected with another computer is called standalone computer. Example for standalone computer are home. Personal computer, it is used on home. Network computer. A computer which part of a network to which another computer are also connected is called a network computer. Also connected is called a network computer. Network computer divided into two types: LAN and WAN. LAN stands for local area network. WAN stands for wide area network. Okay children, today homework is do page number 15 in book. Children, read page number 4 to 8 in workbook. Prepare your CS exam. Okay cuties, be safe, be clean, stay in your home, drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables, avoid screen time. Okay cuties, bye, thank you, stay in your home, thank you.